Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stating the creative goal and the must-have elements. This shapes every token you enter next. Once done, pick an aspect ratio and 2 style anchors, for example cinematic and hyperreal. Make sure to list materials, color palette, and lighting direction because those control realism. Then add a focal detail like lens type or subject pose to guide composition. Finally, decide limits, word count, band items, and whether to use synonyms for variety. You now craft the core prompt by stacking prioritized phrases, subject and main action first, then the visual style and era. Once that reads well, layer technical details, material, texture, directional lighting, camera type, and distance, because these tune detail and depth. Make sure to include mood and color grading words to control tone. Also append negative modifiers to exclude unwanted items. Repeat and reorder phrases until the prompt yields the intent. You finish by iterating. Generate several variants and change only 1 to 3 tokens between runs to observe effects. Once you see consistent issues, use negative terms to remove artifacts. If hallucinations persist, shorten and clarify the prompt. Make sure to balance specificity with flexibility. Overly verbose prompts can confuse the model. If results still fail, simplify the subject, swap synonyms, or alter camera and lighting descriptors. Troubleshooting tip: when details break, remove complex adjectives first and reintroduce them gradually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.